Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel an order on Flipkart. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flipkart account, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Flipkart? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type flipkart.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Flipkart. Once you get into the website, follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Flipkart. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, and that's how to cancel an order on Flipkart. Now, from this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have this. So if you've signed in and you've signed up, you're going to see your account here. You're not going to see this login option. Now, I'm being restricted from creating an account because it's strictly for Indians, so they're not allowing me to create an account. But of course, if you have created your account, head over here, you have this options that says My Profile, Flipkart Plus Zone, Orders, Wish List, Rewards, and Gift Cards. Now go ahead and click on Orders. Once you click on Orders, it's going to take you to your Orders window where you have all your orders organized. Now, you're not going to see this because, like I said, I'm being restricted from creating an account. That's why. So you have to create an account for you to see all your orders. So once you click on that orders, you're going to find all your orders here. So for you to cancel an order, just select the order that you want to cancel. After selecting the order, you're going to see a couple of options. And one of the options you're going to find is cancel. So you're going to see the cancel button right next to your order. So click on cancel. And once you click on cancel, it's going to open up a banner that is going to ask you if you really wish to cancel your order, more like a confirmation for you to know, for you to really be sure that you want to cancel that order. So after canceling your order, just follow through the step-by-step processes involved and your order will be cancelled. You can go ahead and request a refund from there. So that's pretty much the process. That is how you can cancel your order on Flipkart. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.